These cinnamon applesauce muffins are going to be your new favorite healthy breakfast or treat. They are moist, they are cinnamony, they are good for you, and they will have you feeling great all day. Okay, first step, we are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to take out 1.25 cups of oat flour. Now, if you don't have oat flour, no problem. You can use rolled oats or you can use quick oats, and you can just put it in a blender for, 30 seconds or so, and then you yourself will have some oat flour. See, it looks exactly like that. Now, if you are lazy like me, let's just use our blender jug as our mixing bowl. Why get something else dirty? Okay, now we're gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda. To make sure yours is active, you could test it with some vinegar and see if it foams. And next, baking powder. You're gonna use 1/4 teaspoon, and to test that, to see if it's still good, you can just add some boiling water and see if it foams. Okay, now these are cinnamon applesauce muffins. So I used a healthy teaspoon of cinnamon. If you really want to go crazy on cinnamon, you could even use up to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Give that a little mix for your dry ingredients. And for more healthy, easy, skinny recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. Now, plant milk, you're going to use 2 tablespoons. I used almond milk. Any plant milk will work. Just make sure it's unsweetened. And next, maple syrup. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of that. And now applesauce. These are cinnamon applesauce muffins, so let's not be stingy on the applesauce. We are going to use 1 cup of that, and just make sure that yours is single ingredient, no sweeteners, no preservatives, nothing bad added to your applesauce. Let's keep it whole food plant-based. And now a vanilla extract. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of that just to give our cinnamon applesauce muffins a little bit of warmth. Now we're going to put the top on the blender, and hey, might as well let the blender do the work and mix it all up. For more healthy, easy, skinny recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. I think it took about 20 seconds, and then it looked like that. And now I use the silicone muffin cups because they're reusable and they go in the dishwasher and they're so easy. And I filled up, there was like 2 healthy tablespoons to fill up about 3/4 of the muffin cups. And this used up about 8 muffin cups. And then as a test, I sprinkled some cinnamon on 4 of the muffins to see if I could tell which ones had the cinnamon on it and which ones didn't. Regardless, if you like, this is optional, but just to make it look fancy, I added a little bit of rolled oats on top. And now we're ready. And by now your oven should be preheated. You can put those babies in there. Now you're going to want to check it after about 15 minutes. Mine actually took 25 minutes, but my oven has been really slow lately. Your home is going to smell so good. It's going to smell like cinnamon apple deliciousness, and you're going to be tempted to eat them right away. But before you do, you're going to want to put it on a cooling rack and do the toothpick test. Make sure it comes out clean. And it did. Okay, now before you eat it even now, you're going to want to keep these muffin cups in the muffin pan for another 5 minutes. This recipe is vegan and gluten-free and dairy-free and oil-free and egg-free and whole food plant-based, and it is just so moist and tasty. You're going to love it. For more healthy, easy, skinny recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. And for another healthy, easy, skinny recipe, check out this video.